Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your PFM Pro wrapper integrated with your Markem coder. These machines are currently set at 240 volts 3-phase. We recommend you read the manuals in their entirety before powering on these machines. Systems like these are capable of running products such as you see here. Today we'll be running this product at 19,000 per shift.